Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to create eye-catching travel posters in Canva, even if you're just starting out? Click the Create button to begin. In the search bar, type Poster and select the poster template from the results. For this tutorial, make sure to choose the landscape orientation before moving to the next step. Next, use the Templates feature. In the search bar, type Travel Poster and press Enter. You'll see a variety of travel poster templates appear. Browse the options and select the template that best fits your project style and needs. Browse the available designs to find inspiration for your project. When you see one you like, simply click on it to select and use it as your starting point. Select a design, then review the options available. Here, you'll see a visually appealing travel poster template. Explore its features and layout to understand how it fits your project needs. This design is ready for customization, so you can easily adapt it for your purpose. Highlighted here are locations and beautiful places you can visit on this occasion. First on the list is this featured destination. Here is a skateboarding image. Next, we have a beautiful picture of the sea, showcasing calm blue water and a clear sky. There is also a relaxing image here, perfect for creating a peaceful atmosphere. All these visuals have been added to the project, providing a variety of moods and settings for your presentation. To create a travel poster, start by navigating to the Elements section. Look for travel-themed graphics, such as airplanes, tracers, or pinpoints, which can help enhance your design. These elements visually represent locations or movement, making your poster more dynamic. Scroll through the available options in the Elements panel to find suitable graphics. Click on any element you want to use, and it will appear on your canvas, ready for you to position and customize. Click See All under Recommended for you to view more elements. These elements are specifically designed for creating travel posters. Browse through the collection to find graphics and icons perfect for your design. Every element shown here can be added to your project, allowing complete flexibility as you build and customize your travel poster layout. Select your design sample. Click Import to add it to your project. Next, insert your desired text. Adjust the text size by selecting it and choosing a smaller font option. Finally, use the Position tool to arrange the text exactly where you want within your design canvas. To place text above the signboard element, select the Text tool, click above the signboard, and type your message. Adjust the position as needed to ensure the text appears clearly above the element. To link a drawing or image, select both elements, then use the Link tool to connect them. To move a linked item, simply click and drag it to the desired location. Explore additional tools available in the Elements panel for more creative options. For example, add a glow effect by selecting the item and clicking the glow option to enhance your visual presentation. Locate this area on your screen. This is where you can access essential tools and options for managing your project efficiently and quickly. We're satisfied with this color since it matches perfectly with the ocean and the beach. Next, let's look at some special effects. These effects can enhance your design and make it stand out. Now, let's move on to the Elements section to add more detail to our project. Remove any redundant text, such as time to travel, to clean up the design. Select unnecessary elements and press Delete. If you need to fill empty spaces, use relevant elements instead. Streamline your design by removing anything excessive and only keeping what's essential. This approach ensures your layout remains tidy and easy to read. Delete these elements as shown. Next, add the new element by clicking the Add button. This approach simplifies your workflow and keeps things organized, making the process much easier to manage as you continue editing your project. Once you are satisfied with your poster, click the Share button, then select Download. For the highest image quality, choose PNG as the file type and maximize the size using the slider before downloading. If you need the poster for printing, select PDF Print from the file type options for better print quality. For professional results, you can apply the CMYK color profile if the option is available. Finally, click Download to save your poster in the chosen format. You've learned some beginner tips for designing travel posters in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tricks.